Hello guys, welcome back to App Hacks. In today's video, I'll teach you guys a few tips and tricks about iPhone's iMessage emoji. So let us get started. First, you will need to head over to your iPhone's iMessage. After you're there, simply tap on or select few emojis. So I'm just gonna select some random emojis here. And yeah, after you just select random emojis, what you'll then need to do is you can add effects to it. Now, before I teach you guys how you can add effects, if you're new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now let's get back into it. So after you have selected your emojis, what you'll need to do is you'll need to long press on this arrow right here, that is the send button. And after you tap on it, you will see a bubble and you'll see screen. So tap on screen and right here you will see the effect. So just simply send and there you go. That is how you add effects. You can add other effects if you want to. So let me just add few more effects here. So I'm just gonna do this, go to screen, and you can swipe to see more effects. And yeah, that is basically how you can add emoji tricks and effects on your message. Thanks for watching guys. That is all for this video. Stay tuned for more and